What we collaborate on at VANTAGE is everything. We don't focus on who's in charge of what. We focus on delivering a great experience. And we all take ownership of building partnerships with the outside world.
Just this year alone, over 1,000 people who have volunteered their time to make everything work. That includes, guest instruction, all of the mentors that we have this year, site visit hosts.
It's a very elaborate challenge to create 80 unique experiences that student project teams will run with. In the end, we all own all of it, and we all help as much as we can with all of it. Just results in kind of one great experience after another for students.
I would compare the VANTAGE culture to being kind of a startup environment. Things are kind of always changing. We work in a very entrepreneurial environment. So all of us are doing kind of whatever it takes to get whatever it needs to get done.
We have everyone work towards such a common goal. It's, easy to achieve success in what we're trying to do.